you ever dreamt of achieving a lavish income but without breaking the bank? Enter the AI era, where just under $50 can be the key to unlocking substantial earnings. Today, I'm about to lift the veil on 3 AI marvels that aren't just easy on the wallet but have catapulted my monthly earnings to an astonishing $10,000. The best part? It's achieved with almost effortless ease. As we journey deeper into each of these tools, you'll witness firsthand their transformative power and how they can supercharge your side hustles without costing a fortune. And just when you think you've grasped it all, brace yourself. By the finale, I'll unveil a genius strategy that has the potential to double your earnings without doubling your costs. Ready to build your dream income without splurging? Let's embark on this thrilling mission. First up on our treasure hunt, what if I told you there's a tool that can transform your lengthy videos into concise, magnetic short clips without you lifting a finger? Before you dismiss this as just another video tool, think about this. A tool that sifts through your extended video, zeroes in on the highlights, and crafts them into 60-second masterpieces, subtitles, and all. Sounds too good to be true? Hold that thought. Now, I bet you're wondering, how could a simple tool possibly pull off such magic? Well, I've harnessed this method to churn out short videos at lightning speed, pitching them to influencers with the hope of landing an editing gig. While many doors remained shut, one influencer couldn't resist the allure. And here's the kicker. I wrap up the task in half the time he assumes I take. Let me paint a clearer picture. For this demo, let's pick a trending video from YouTube, say, one by Alex Hormozy, extract its essence using TubeRipper, and import the video into the tool, then let the tool take the reins. As it whirs into action, it not only offers resolution choices, but even nudges you to add your social media handles, a nifty touch for personal branding. But just when you think it's done, it surprises you with a bouquet of short clip options. The precision with which it distills a 15-minute video is nothing short of magic. A sprinkle of tweaks, especially with the subtitles, and voila, you have a short video that's not just engaging, but downright irresistible. And the cherry on top? I pocket a day's pay for a task that's a breeze. Now, I'm sure you're curious, right? Ready for the reveal? The game changer is video AI. It's not just user-friendly, it's a goldmine for anyone itching to jumpstart their side hustle. The pace at which it operates is staggering. Picture this, 10 short videos, all charged at an hour's work. And if I slap a $20 tag on each, we're talking $200 an hour. But, and it's a crucial but, while video AI is a speed demon, it isn't a magic wand. It might not rain dollars as some tools promise, but as a budding asset, its trajectory is promising. Stay with me, because what's coming next might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, I've stumbled upon a tool that's rewriting the rules of the game. Imagine a digital sentinel, ever watchful, that alerts you the moment there's a ripple on any website. You're enjoying a quiet evening, and suddenly, an alert buzzes. A sought-after product is now available on eBay. The potential with this tool, it's like having the universe at your fingertips. But let's dive deeper. Ever wondered about the maneuvers of the big players in the cryptocurrency world? Platforms like DBank let you discreetly track the trading patterns of these crypto giants. And believe me, their moves can cause tidal waves. Here's a teaser. A prominent account made a move on a token named Joe, and its value skyrocketed. With this AI tool by your side, you're not just keeping pace, you're a step ahead, receiving alerts the moment such trades happen. You're probably itching to know, how do you get this magic in your hands? It's as easy as pie. On its intuitive dashboard, you set up a robot to be your eyes and ears, monitoring site changes. A little heads up, it's currently smitten with Google Chrome. Simply input the URL of the trader's page you're tracking, set the parameters, and choose the areas you want to watch. And here's the cherry on top. You decide how often it checks the site. While the free tier offers daily updates, going premium feels like stepping into a different league, with alerts coming in hourly or even by the minute. And if you're pondering the returns, here's a figure to mull over. A neat profit of around $10,800 in just the last month. But, and this is key, navigate with caution. It's not a magic wand, and the crypto world is a wild ride. Stay sharp and make informed choices. And speaking of sharp, if this content is sharpening your perspective, why not hit that like button? It's a nod of appreciation and helps spread the word. Now, a word to the wise. The crypto journey is not all sunshine and rainbows. The highs are exhilarating, but the lows can be sobering. However, with a tool like Browse AI in your toolkit, you're not just a player, you're a game changer. And its prowess isn't confined to just crypto. From e-commerce to content creation, this tool is your multi-tool. But as with all premium tools, it comes with a cost, especially if you're after those lightning-fast updates. It's a jewel, for sure, but it truly sparkles for those with a thriving side hustle. Stay tuned, because what's coming next will make you rethink everything you know about online tools. Alright folks, buckle up, because we're about to venture into a world where art meets technology. Ever felt that creating digital art was a complex maze? What if I told you there's a way to craft mesmerizing designs at lightning speed and monetize them on platforms like Etsy? Speaking of hot seamless patterns are the current rage in the digital realm. Some sellers are even raking in jaw-dropping figures, surpassing 778,000 sales just from these patterns. At an average price of $4, that's over $3 million. Now you might wonder, how do we identify what's trending? Our trusty trend spotter is ChatGPT, the current buzz, floral and watercolor designs. But how do you bring these designs to life without spending hours or even days? And once crafted, how do you ensure they fit seamlessly on any product, be it mugs, t-shirts, or more? The answer lies in two game-changing tools. First up, it's not just another tool. It's like having a digital Picasso at your fingertips. With Midjourney, crafting a floral watercolor masterpiece becomes as easy as a breeze. And while it does offer a free version, those aiming for the stars might want to consider their premium plan. But that's just half the magic. Once your design is ready, the next tool steps in, ensuring your art is replicated seamlessly, eliminating hours of manual labor. Repper is like having a design magician by your side. With your designs ready, marketing becomes the next challenge. A killer Etsy thumbnail can make all the difference. And that's where Canva, our design ally, comes into play. Not just for thumbnails, but for bringing your designs to life on various products. Navigating the realms of design and marketing can be daunting. That's why our exclusive Unchained Society Discord is here, a community where digital pioneers converge to exchange wisdom and strategies. If this resonates with you, dive in through the link below. But remember, while setting up an Etsy shop is a start, the real challenge lies in maintaining momentum with continuous marketing and fresh product updates. Now, a reality check. While the dream of passive income is alluring, platforms like Etsy aren't a walk in the park. My journey began with a humble 2 listings, and in a month I've seen 6 sales. It might sound modest, but with 80 unique visits, and no, that doesn't include my family, the future looks promising. My eyes are set on a goal, 20 digital paper listings, and with every step, my optimism grows. But here's the thing, while the journey promises gold, it's not always glitter. Platforms like Etsy demand sweat, strategy, and a sprinkle of luck, but the silver lining, the sky's the limit. With dedication, many have turned their Etsy ventures from side hustles to full-blown careers. In the grand scheme of things, tools like Midjourney, Repper, Video AI, and Browse AI are just the tip of the iceberg. The real enchantment? How you wield them. The digital realm is brimming with opportunities, be it monetizing AI art, riding the crypto wave, or selling digital patterns. But always remember, the recipe for success is a mix of the right tools, a solid game plan, and an unyielding spirit. So, if you're ready to dive deep into this ocean of opportunities, take a deep breath and let's plunge together into the next chapter of digital entrepreneurship. If you're serious about delving into the world of online wealth creation, then you're in the right place. We're all about sharing expert insights, invaluable resources, and creating a network of individuals passionate about financial success. But here's a thought. What's the one AI tool or strategy you're curious about or have found success with? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe even cover it in a future video. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There's a treasure trove of insightful content on the horizon, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Until next time, best of luck, and let's break those chains together.